Hey everybody, so previously we talked about how to purchase tokens using MetaMask wallet. Today I am going to demonstrate to you how you can purchase tokens using Wallet Connect. Please note that Wallet Connect is a list of wallets that connect through using API. However, it could be a little bit tricky when locating API interface connection button on every wallet. That is why I highly recommend downloading IAM token. And I am going to use IAM token wallet to walk through this tutorial as well today. Now, first thing you have to do is to log into your sales at Pledge.finance interface and pick the options you would like to purchase. Once you have done that, click next and it will lead you to the payment details page where you're able to make your payment. The conversion rate is updated every hour. So make sure if you have purchased PLGR tokens with BTC or ETH, you check that is the right conversion rate before proceeding. Now, it is very important to note that although PLGR is a Binance Smart Chain based token, the receiving address for Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum is the same. When the tokens are dispersed upon token generation event, all you need to do is to convert your Ethereum mainnet address to Binance Smart Chain mainnet in order to see the tokens appearing. Once you have filled in your purchasing amount, the next step is to connect via Wallet Connect. This is where a QR code will pop up. Now remember, this is not a wallet address QR code, it is an API plugin QR code to invite your wallet to be connected with TokenSoft platform. The next step is to open the wallet app on your phone. Again, in this case, I am using an IAM token wallet. And all you need to do is click the top right corner for the QR code scan. Make sure you give camera access to your wallet before scanning. Once you finish scanning, this permission page should pop up. Please proceed on and click Allow. There you go. Next thing you need to do is click Submit to Wallet Connect. And wait for the confirmation. This generally takes about 5 to 10 minutes again, depending on the Ethereum network congestion. Please do not panic if your wait time is longer. You can always open your Wallet Connect IAM token wallets to check the status of your purchase. Once the payment is complete, you will be given a receipt, which you're able to track and track back at any given moment in your TokenSoft account. The receipt including the details of your purchases. Voila! Congratulations! You have now completed purchasing the PLGR tokens. You can come back to the main menu and check your past transactions and also purchase more tokens choosing other options. Remember, you have only 30 minutes each during your purchasing session. Make sure you utilize that time wisely, or else you will be placed at the back of the line. Now, I hope everybody have a great and smooth purchasing experience. Now, have a great day, everybody. Thank you.